everyone, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So to
Alam mo
unblock
ang
someone
ganda
on
ni
Facebook, so open the Facebook app, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right. Then from here, you can click the gear icon in the top right to go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, you need to scroll down and look for audience and visibility. So under audience and visibility, tap blocking. So select blocking and you'll see a list of people you have blocked. So you can tap and block next to the person's name, just like so, and confirm by tapping and block again. And as you can see, that account is now removed from the block list. So again, so just click the unblock button besides their name and click unblock to confirm the action. And that's it. You can also add to block list. So you can add someone in here and block them. So just click add to block list and type the name of the person. So once you see it, just click on block and click on block again to confirm the action, and that's it. So after unblocking someone, Facebook requires you to wait 48 hours before you can block that person again. Unblocking also does not automatically restore a friendship. So you'll need to send a new friend request if you want to reconnect, and that's it.